Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to switch Notion to dark mode. If you spend a lot of time organizing your projects and notes in Notion, especially during late night work sessions, switching to dark mode can reduce eye strain and give your workspace a sleek, modern look. Let's walk through how to make this change. First, open the Notion website on your browser. Once you're there, make sure you've selected the workspace you want to use from the workspace switcher if it's not already selected. This is important because your appearance settings will apply to the specific workspace you're working in, so you want to ensure you're in the right one before making any changes. Next, head over to the left sidebar of your Notion interface, scroll down until you find the Settings option and click on it. This will open up the Settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Notion experience, from account details to workspace preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Preferences tab. This is where Notion keeps all the personalization options that affect how your workspace looks and feels. Within the Preferences section, look for the option labeled Appearance. This is what controls the visual theme of your entire Notion interface. Now click the drop-down menu under Appearance. You'll see three options presented to you: Use System Setting, Light, and Dark. The Use System Setting option will automatically match Notion's appearance to whatever theme your computer is currently using, which is handy if you like consistency across all your apps. But for our purposes today, go ahead and select Dark from the options. As soon as you select Dark, the interface will immediately switch to dark mode. You'll notice the transformation right away as your workspace adopts a darker color scheme with lighter text, creating that comfortable low-light viewing experience. The change happens instantly, so there's no need to refresh or restart anything. And that's it. Your Notion workspace is now in dark mode, making it easier on your eyes during those long work sessions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.